Hi guys, this is Chandresh Sinha from Ohio Computer Academy, and in this video I want to address how to start a career in IT. When people think about starting a career in IT, they get confused whether they should start with data analytics or they should start with cloud or they should start with AI. I think instead of asking which technology we should learn, we should focus on what kind of work we want to do it in IT, and that will clear up all your confusion. Let me explain. Don't start with the technology. What most people do that they hear about a technology and they start with it. If someone tells them Python is good, they start with coding. If someone says that cybersecurity is in demand, they start with cybersecurity. And then they hear a lot about AI and they think that AI is most important and they start on an AI journey. But before that, they should be asking that what do they like to do and in which direction they want to go. As we all know that AI is like an ocean, and also computers and IT field is so wide. From where do we start? So always start with what do you like to do in IT and which direction you want to take in your career. The result is that they learn a little bit about everything, but they do not acquire strong skills in any direction, and therefore they cannot move in their career. So instead of collecting technologies, you should always focus on what you are trying to achieve. Choose a general IT direction. Even if you are not sure that in which direction you want to go, before starting, you should gather some knowledge, look some YouTube videos on different technologies. That will give you an idea what each of the technology covers and what it entails. In that process, you will also learn a little bit about different fields of IT and how it has been applied into different job domains. And starting from there, it will grow your interest into one specific field. You might know about data analytics, you might know about business analysis, you will learn about coding also, and you will learn about AI also. Gather a general direction before starting on it, and that will help you in understanding your goals and objective, that what you want to achieve. And after you have completed this, choose one specific direction. If you want to go in data analytics, if you like numbers, you like reports, and you also like to analyze data, in that case you go into data analytics, which will be like tools like Tableau, data visualizations using Power BI, etc. Once you have chosen your direction, you should build the fundamentals. Try to see how the data has been organized, because data is the most important part of any organization. No matter what we do it in IT, we are trying to understand the data. Try to see how the data is organized, how the tables are being created, how the basic logic is being built. Learn about conditions, learn about looping, and then see that whether those things interest you, and try to build a foundation. Because IT, anything you do it in IT are based on foundation, your basic logic. So try to create that logic. Don't just learn anything, try to build something, try to create something. Don't just watch YouTube videos and read some theory, try to create something. If you are, for example, learning Excel, try to create a spreadsheet, try to implement some basic calculation in Excel. If you are learning SQL using Oracle or using SQL Server, try to create smaller queries and see that what the output gives you. Try to understand the data and always try to create something. Don't just spend your time in watching endless YouTube videos without creating something. So always be hands-on. After you learn some smaller concept, try to recreate it in the technology of your preference. Learn to work with AI. In today's environment, AI is the most important skill anyone can have. But AI is not only the skill you need other skills also, which can be complemented with AI. So if you are learning Excel, try to see how to implement Excel using AI. If you are learning SQL, try to see that how it can be enhanced using AI. Even for email communications and creating a documentation, AI can help. So start with the technology and then see how AI can help you in enhancing your knowledge. Because AI will never replace humans, but is going to enhance your skills. So, what should be your IT career roadmap? It is very simple. You start with the technology, build your foundation, enhance with the AI, and try to create some projects in it. Try to practice more and more and more. No matter what technology you choose. If you are starting a career in IT, I will say that start with Excel, because Excel gives you all the concepts. You will learn how to do sorting, you will know how to do filtering, you will understand the data, you will be creating some visualizations also. So start in this way. Choose one technology, build some foundation on it, and try to practice more and more in it. I have worked in IT education for many years, and I have trained hundreds of candidates in IT, helping them starting their career in IT. So starting a career in IT is not very difficult. All you need to do is build a strong foundation and have a direction. There might be technologies coming and going, and it is a wide field. IT will keep on changing, new technologies will be coming in, but the only thing which will remain with you is the strong foundation. No matter what technologies come in future, the basic working of IT will never change. So start small and then keep on building your skills. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be happy to address them.